Now let's go all the way for the next one, all the way out west to Oregon.
Hey, Alan, this is Nate from Cottage Grove, Oregon. My lawn is primarily perennial rye. However, I have a question about moles. That's moles with an M. I sometimes get one or two a year, and they really tear up my lawn, and I'm just kind of curious as to what I should put down to keep them out, or what I should do. My plan right now is to maybe use some sort of grub control or insect control to maybe get rid of their food source. If you could answer that question, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for all the help. Later.
Hey, Nate, this is a good question. One I get so much. What do I do about moles? And I'm going to tell you, I have not had a good answer. I know there's mole baits that you can get called Tomcat. There's different things you can do. There's traps and baits. I will tell you that the very best thing for moles is a Labrador Retriever or some kind of dog that loves to root them out. Even some cats are highly aggressive and can keep moles out of your lawn. So I think that's one way to do it. But I wanted to point you real quick, though, to a video that John Perry did. If you go to YouTube and you just search how to keep rabbits from eating your lawn, you will find John Perry's video that he did. And John Perry obviously is the founder, CEO, president, grand poobah over at the Unicorn Pea Plant that we call Greene County Fertilizer Company. He's the one that makes the next products that we all love so much. And he's been doing a series on his back lawn, all kinds of crazy stuff. Like I said, I mentioned earlier not to torch your lawn. Well, if you want to see somebody torching a lawn, you can see John doing it. But one of the things that he's had is a problem of rabbits coming into a section of his lawn and just ripping it up and eating it. I guess they're eating the roots or whatever they eat, the crowns. They're just eating it up. And he lives in a desert area, so I understand they're going to eat whatever they can find that's green. I think he also had some mole problems in this little patch. And what he did is he put down hot sauce. Now, he's got a certain hot sauce that he uses that when you watch him spray, and again, search John Perry, how to keep rabbits from eating your lawn, the spray that he used, it put so much fumes in the air, it started getting up his nose, and he starts coughing in the video. So hot sauce, as we know, isn't going to hurt a living thing, but it is certainly going to cause you some discomfort, and it will certainly cause the rabbits discomfort when they get in the lawn. I doubt they would even start to take a bite because the fumes from this hot sauce will draw them away. And that's the idea. You just want to have them go somewhere else, send them to your neighbor's lawn. Now, I bet, and John did not say that he knew for sure, but he said he was going to monitor and see if this would also work for moles. I would just spray the hot sauce. You can use a hose end sprayer, spray the hot sauce down all along wherever you see the mole tracks and see if that will just drive them out. So make sure that you put a good domination line with that hot sauce between your lawn and the neighbor's lawn, so that way that mole knows, hey, don't go in that lawn over there because that place burns us. We don't like the way that works. Now, one other thing that I will tell you that will do is it will also probably make your grub worms flavored with the hot sauce, which will keep them away. And of course, I'm kidding, but I wanted to just say real quick, Nate, that yes, that moles do feed on grub worms, and having no grub worms in your lawn is probably one step or one help to not having moles, but they eat a lot more other things. They will eat earthworms, they will eat insects, they will eat millipedes. I have a ton of millipedes in my lawn, and I do have a mole in the back, even though I have St. Augustine grass, so he doesn't really do any damage to it. What I'm trying to say is, though, I wouldn't go into the eliminating their food source type of a route because that's going to require a chemical. What I would rather you do is drive them away, and you can drive them away using a dog, a cat, or in this case, some super hardcore hot sauce.